2002 Ford F-150 Super Cab, 77,000 miles. In unbelievable condition. Yes, 77,000 miles. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Sorry about the wind noise. It's kind of a windy day. This is a Lariat package. Leather, power seats, heated seats. Perfect Carfax report. Interior is in amazing condition for its age. Aftermarket Kenwood radio with hands-free. 77,000 miles. All four doors open up. This truck is in remarkable condition for its age. Remarkable condition for its age. So a 2002 Ford F-150 Super Cab, 77,000 miles, Lariat in remarkable condition.